If we look few points today, Goa's economy they say is growing, but if you look, the agriculture sector is contributing 5%. This is a major worry for any state. Today, tourism is moving forward. Tourism controlling 43-45% of the economy. But what is shocking is 95% of the tourists are domestic. Despite Goa is growing, the fiscal deficit is pegged at 2826 crore rupees. Investment Promotion Board जे बोर्ड म्हणटाय ते एक फ्रॉड आणि ह्या फ्रॉडान म्हाका दिसता 31 प्रोजेक्ट्स वर्थ 1117 crores आणि हेमी सांगलेले आसा 4950 कोटी जॉब 4000 ऑलमोस्ट 4950 जॉब्स हे जॉब ज्या पद्धतीन हो सरकार प्रॉमिस करता ज्या पद्धतीन एम्प्लॉयमेंट अनएम्प्लॉयमेंटाचो इश्यू आज प्रत्येक गोंयकाराक खबर आसा युवकांक खबर आसा हे सगळे लाखांनी स्क्वेअर मिटराचे लँड दिवप practically AG feasibility of investment promotion board practicality on the ground is a big zero. लाखांनी स्क्वेअर मीटर लँड भायले दिल्लीचे वर्मा आणि शर्माक दिवप मुखेलमंत्रीन एक आश्वासन दिला की दोन्ही दाबोलीम आणि मोपा एअरपोर्ट असतले म्हणून फिजिबिलिटी सांगलो ना खंयच्या पद्धतीन आसतले बिकॉज दस गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा हॅव the right to protect Dabolim's interest. They have absolutely no right. DGCA very directly has said that airline policy is a private airline subject. आता अटल आसरा 3 लाख केले ते 5 लाख that is a welcome step. I take that as a welcome step. But जेन्ना आमी ह्या बजेटाचे उलयतना today this budget was not just be judged by the headline. If we look at the arithmetic today, 50% of the state's budget that is allocated goes towards salaries, goes towards pensions, goes towards interest payments. 20% of this goes routinely towards maintenance and unavoidable commitments. या बजेटाचे practically 70% the state government can't use. म्हणजे हेजेर फक्त roughly 30% is left for innovation and future planning. So whatever schemes, whatever announcements the government makes, new promises, their first question is from where will the government get this money? Where does it come from? So if this budget is meant to please everyone, since it is an election year, schemes, announcements, as you see, everything सगळे वाढवलेले आसा. So this is basically populism. When I say populism without capacity, it does not strengthen the state, it pushes it into more deeper debt. While म्हाका दिसता this is not welfare, chief minister जपण दाखोवन दिता, this is fiscal irresponsibility. This is basically what we would like to say. एज भायर जोरी तर मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा घटमूट बजेट म्हूण घटमूट मोडीच आसा म्हाका दिसता हें जूटमूट बजेट हें सारकें जूटमूट आनी मुखेलमंत्री सारको this budget seems to be announcements and this is like distribution of peanuts and chicken feed. Core duties जे मुखेलमंत्रीन इग्नोर केलेले आसा. हांव सांगपाक सोदता मुखेलमंत्री आख्खे गोंयकाराक दूध आणि हनी हे प्रॉमिस करता पण दूधसागर ड्राय आहा. दूध आणि हनी लोकांक प्रॉमिस करता दूधसागर ड्राय आसा. न्यू स्कीम्स जे प्रॉमिस केलेले आहा they need funds. From where the chief minister is very liberal when it comes to allocations. Today, these are only on paper. Where will you get the funds? Basically, one major observation that I see is that the chief minister is not focused on the employment sector. The chief minister is silent on employment generation. Today, the major problem is employment. Two major issues. Casinos and land alienation. आम्ही सकाळच्या वेळा सांगलेले casino when it comes to 39A and जे land alienation when it comes to 39A आणि casino हेजेर मुखेलमंत्री झाला 200% फीज वाढवेल मुगीन उलयलो 200 न्हू ते 2000 फीज पासून वाडयल्या ते थिंगा आसपाचे ह्या आमच्या पवित्र गोंयच्या भुमींतल्यान भायर काड हो आमचो डिमांड आशिल्लो आतां आज मुखेलमंत्री उलयला अबाउट निवास अयोध्या वेलंकणी पंढरपूर हे सगळे निवास आर वेलकम स्टेप्स बट द ब्रेड एंड बटर एंड द गॅरंटी एंड द फ्युचर ऑफ द यूथ हेजेर मुखेलमंत्री उलयलो ना डेव्हलपमेंटाचेर उलयलो आसा ऑफ ओल्ड डिलॅपिडेटेड बिल्डिंग ह्या हेजेर आमकां मातशें तरी डावट आहा हे डिलॅपिडेटेड बिल्डिंग काण सारके दिशी सारकाण तूं दिल्लीच्या शर्मा वर्मा बी हाडून दिशी व्हडले दिलेले आहाय जाल्यार म्हाका कांय खबर ना तर मुखेलमंत्रीन हे ट्रान्सफर ऑफ पब्लीक प्रॉपर्टी इन प्रायव्हेट हँड्स इन द नेम ऑफ पीपीपी म्हणजे पाड पडिल्ले प्रोजेक्ट हे अर्थ ह्या सरकाराचो हे पाड पडिल्ले प्रोजेक्ट बाबा आमकां गोंयांत नाका इफ यू लूक as I said 70% of the budget is locked for recurring spending 50% of the state budget is already locked towards salaries pensions interest payment whereas 20% goes for maintenance आज just change in name same schemes no change on the ground it is the same old wine in a new bottle same scheme in a new wrapper आज जे DDSY and drinking water they seem to want there is a need there are some things that I should also give credit DSY schemes increasing the amount to the people that is a welcome step आज जोरी तर एक्शन टेकन रिपोर्ट मो आमकां दिलो आहा आनी इकॉनॉमिक सर्वे आता एक्शन टेकन रिपोर्ट हांव चोयतालो मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा जे बाब कालूस बाबान सुरवातेक एक पॉयंट ऑफ ऑर्डर घातलो out of 100% 99.53% budget assurance has been completed. This is just misleading. This is wrong. The action taken report is completely deceptive. This is the feedback of the government. You need to see the fine print. आता जेन्ना कोणी जर एक्झिबिशनाक गेलो 50% सेल सगळे घुसताय भितर 50% भायल्या मो बूक आमकां दिला भितर गेल्या 50% once you go inside you see सगळे पॉट proposal submitted administrative approval awaited tendering process yet to start work in progress will start as soon as possible so हे action taken रिपोर्टाचेर तो आमकां सांगता 99.53% सगळे हे assurance complete केला हा so many places it's not even started so glaring examples GMC expansion project, जे major sectoran जावपाक जाय. This is pending. TB and chest hospital block tendering yet to be done. Modern blood bank, this approval still is pending. Critical care hospital, only proposal is submitted. Satellite OPD, जे GMC, काणकोण, कुर्चरे पेडणे सांगलेले, सगळे हे pending हा. Day care centers, both district their only space is identified so if you look at this scheme je mukhyamantri action taken report sangla 99.53% is a big fat lie these were assured in the last budget they are notified not implemented no beneficiaries disbursements are shown this is only the notification that is issued at the end maka dista we must ask this government and through your medium I ask this government is this budget sustainable is it honest of Goa's financial stress? Does it really solve the real problems or postpone them? Agadista, the opposition will support what genuine help Goa needs. We will firmly oppose ye fiscal illusion zala. There is mass violation. Je Mukhyamantri kan sanglele asa with regards to supplementary demands and as KHABAR violations that are there in thousands of crores of rupees. This what the Honorable Chief Minister today has proposed is a populist shortcut and diversionary politics. म्हाका दिसता next year सरकार चेंज जातलो आणि next year will be new beginning एक नवी सुरवात गोंयचे पासत गोंयचो लोक दाखोवन दितलो कित्याक आमकां खात्री आहा की आमकां गोंय जाय जे गोंयांत आमकां एक एनवायरमेंट आमचो प्रोटेक्टेड आनी ऑनेस्ट पॉलिटिक्स हे जाय तर म्हाका खूब विश्वास आहा की गोंयचो लोक ह्या सरकाराक भूत शिकयतलो
Yuri, you have mentioned about that job of 4,000 in budget, as CM has mentioned. So will you
No,
feel that?
CM has said, for example, investment proportion board is 2,500 jobs and another 2,500 म्हणजे 5,000. It is election year. Same CM said 10,000 jobs before last Zilla Parishad election. In the election year, he said in 2022, 50,000 jobs. So where is the job? Are they? What are you doing? Where? Sorry, you work by Rahman. Tapon ha. All the youth today are unemployed. So where is the jobs going? Investment promotion boardan कितले गोंयकाराक म्हाका दिसता employment मेळे. This is the question that the chief minister needs to answer. He has not spoken on the disaster, that is environmental disaster, on land alienation, on land conversion, on casinos, on protecting our environment. Absolutely nothing has been.
49 अंडर जे कन्वर्शन जाता तेच प्रमाणे इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्डा अंडर जे प्रोजेक्ट ह्यूज प्रोजेक्ट येता की जॉब ओरिएंटेड कितले आसा म्हणलं सी आपण
ना इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्डान तेणे फिगर दिला 31 प्रोजेक्ट्स at 1,117 crores to create 4,950 jobs. ये फोटाश पडे हाय हे अर्सा
तेका ट्रान्सपरन्सी आसा
कांयच ना ट्रान्सपरन्सी एब्सोल्युटली हे आमी जेन्ना डिमांड येतले इंडस्ट्रीचे हे सगळे हे रॅकेट दिस इज अ रॅकेट वेर लँड इज बींग गिवन टू आउटसायडर्स 10 रुपया 12.5 रुपया या पर स्क्वेअर मीटर जागे अंडर युनिव्हर्सिटी अंडर ऑल एज आय सेड प्रत्येक खात्याचे फोकस आहा ऑन लँड गोंयची जमीन विकपाक हे मुखार सरलेले आसा आनी हेज विरुद्ध आमी जो म्हाका दिसता एक युनायटेडली एक मुखार सरपाक जाय that we will expose this government.
You have any data regarding how many jobs this government had given till right now?
No, see the data that we have, we will expose the data in particularly in which sector you're talking about. Is it investment promotion board? Which sector and how many go on? We have the data. We will expose this government during demands.
Okay, thank you. And that casino fees has been increased right now.
Not like 2020 ते 20,000% मध्ये increase केला तिंगा रावपाचे ते खबर आहा तेंका घेवपाचे 200 what does that increase? Stop it, no? If you're serious, stop it. Why increasing means what? Increasing the fees means they're going to go out.
बजेटाचे उलयता युटिलायझेशनाचेर कशें कितें फाटले बजेट आसा ते
Now
म्हणटा
see, he said last time 54% was till January. I have not seen the figures, but I believe it doesn't go over 70%. It doesn't technically go every year, doesn't cross 71%. So this is only an inflated budget. There are so many violations. Violations when I say the way some budget heads, the way funds have been diverted without taking proper approval. CAG has flagged at the start of the supplementary demand. I spoke about several issues. You see, there are 12,000 odd utilization certificates worth 3,400 crores across 31 departments. That is a big fraud. 12,800 utilization certificates not being submitted is not a small thing. It's not few hundreds, and it is 3,500 crores worth. And Chief Minister has said that he would look into his department. This is happening for the last now 3-4 years.
On utilization, what Yuribab was saying and what he did not complete was, CAG itself has flagged that the supplementary budget was not needed because the amount in the budget itself was not utilized. Original amount. So there was no need of going for a supplementary budget.
सरप्लस आहे म्हणटाले न्हू तेन्ना ते म्हणटा
अरे ते सरप्लस दाखयताय बेसिकली जे उमके डिपार्टमेंट आहा दे आर नॉट युटिलायझिंग दॅट आनी मागीर सरप्लस म्हणून दाखयताय ओरिजिनल बजेट से फॉर PWD is 1,800 crores. They utilize only 60% and then they show that they are surplus. Utilization is na, so it's all inflated figures.
In short, how you will summarize this budget?
हांवें सांगेल ते भाशेन दिस बजेट जे मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा घटमूट बजेट दिस इज जूटमूट बजेट